Before the final rat has eaten the last gram of rapture,
Will you stop with your stupid poems?
who was that, they'll say, as they point to the sad shape hanging on my wall? Who was that?
Me. It was me. Ah, I'm gonna be famous on his wall. I'm already famous on YouTube. No, I'm not. Nobody likes me. Everybody's lying, saying they love my videos. You're just watching because you're bored. Oh. Oh yeah, I know.
She's played her cards pretty close to the vest, but you ain't gotta be no college in your own to see that she's into some bad China.
Oh!
She was asking about magnetic and some such. I played it coy, but she took wise. After she
Wait, what?
showed me round her backyard,
Oh, what?
I gave her directions to Keyboard's tool shop. Rapture's gone to hell, but sometimes the great change still cuts you a break.
What do I do? Wait, oh, right. Oh. The hell? That's all I had to do, just pick up that thingy. Now we're going back. All the way back. Somewhere. Where? I don't know, that's why I said somewhere. And why I didn't say where we're going.
A man builds a city at the bottom of the sea. That's a marvel. Another man happens to be on a plane.
That's a marvel.
Lands on the same city
Oh.
in the middle of the ocean. Why, that sounds more like a miracle.
Bloody hell. Doesn't sound like a miracle, it sounds like a piece of crap. Oh god! Oh, we're going in the workshops now, are we? Oh shit! No! Look around a bit more before you go crazy running through the place, oh no! Oh no! As if being hunted down by turrets isn't bad enough. Hey look! You know what? I think I can survive. Another little sister down there, as we can hear. Huh, the sentries aren't even coming this way. I don't need none of that crap. Yes, I do. Whoa. Hell yeah. Voila. Nindo, Halle. Ha. Halle Berry. No one cares. Oh. Yep, the alarm's still going off. I'm gonna go and take care of that little sister. Yeah, take care. Anyway. Oh, there she is, right down there. Let's go and use some more exploding buck. Kill that drill. Here we go. Here we go. Ready, 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 ready. Hey, actually, I'm gonna try something. Whoa. No, wait, he's gone now, bloody hell. Yeah, you try. Awesome. That took down like half of its health. Wow. That was fun. Yep. Look at my jumper. What am I wearing? That's stupid. Yay.
Improved every aspect of man except his character.
Ah.
Perhaps there is a plasmid that can grow the spirit.
Yep.
Perhaps in your DNA, the secret life.
Oh.
I sent a little one with some goodies.
Goodies!
Ease your burden.
Yay, goodies! I want some goodies! Some goodies. Oh, good. Who invited you? Not me. She has a mouldy eye. Now let's take care of that turret. And then, no. Zap. And then, once we've taken care of this turret, we can go and... Wait. Oh yeah, we just got all the big sisters. What? We just got all the little sisters at this level. I mean this area, unless there's some secret ones. What are you doing? What are you doing? You just made it more confusing for yourself. Oh. Thanks. You know... No, wait. No, you don't. Neither do I. Never mind. Now. Oh yeah, she's got something good. Whoa. Look at all the stuff. Yay, hack it. Hacker's delight too. Thanks. I wanted it. Yeah, let's have some more. Have one of those. Oh, I knew it. Oh well. Doesn't matter, does it? Stop saving. You're not gonna die. You are. Da 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 da. Oh. 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 Yeah. Yay. Whoa, look at all this. There's probably nothing in them. Oh. Cream-filled cake in a locker with dirty socks. Ugh. Who expected that? I didn't, but I should have. Anyway. Just leave your money out on a table in this place, because no one's going to nick it. Not me.